There, it's Alex Tchaikovsky with Digital Trends. I'm in Barcelona on the floor of MWC 2026. We are inside Hall 3 at the Honor booth. And it's clear they aren't just building smartphones anymore. Nothing to say here. This year, Honor is going all in on embodied AI. I'm talking about a full-scale humanoid service robot and a robot phone with a camera that literally has a mind on its own. It pops up and it looks totally crazy. We're going to get hands-on to see if this is a future of human-machine synergy or just a very cool scientific project. Let's go. So you can see the Honor humanoid robot behind my back. And as a contrary to other robots that we saw earlier at CES, this one is not focused on your home stuff, but it's a shopping assistant robot. The specs are not very clear yet. This is the first like a live example of this one, and it's just interacting with people here, having fun, dancing and showing hearts. Looks very cute. It's moving pretty alone. There is no worker trying to hold it or something like that. But it's interesting that they're trying to create a new niche for this kind of robots, and we will watch and see where it will go. Now you can see the first prototype of the Honor robot phone. We don't know the specs yet, but there is nothing about specs right now. This is the first prototype, I think. We can't even touch it. We can interact with it because it's not just about the hardware that was created, this flipping, coming over camera on the gimbal, but it also has the smart AI software assistant that you can interact with. You can talk to it, ask it questions, and it acts like it understands you. It nods and shakes his head. I wanted to say his head, but I don't know. Do we call it head? There is no name for it, right? It's quite interesting. It can play music. It can move with music. It can track people. There is a lot of interesting stuff there, like a lot of opportunities with this kind of new addition to our phones. And it folds pretty comfortably, goes to the back of the body of the phone, so I think you still comfortably put it in your pocket. And it's something very interesting. I don't know where it will go, but let's see. Whether it's a gimbal arm on the robot phone or the service bot helping you shop, the line between our devices and our lives is getting very blurry. What do you think? Is a robot phone the next big thing? Let us know, and don't forget to check out our MWC Coolest Tech video. My name is Alex Tchaikovsky with Digital Trends. Till next one.